Hey everybody, it's Thursday afternoon. Excuse me. Thursday afternoon. I just got home from work. Left early because we got a massive snowstorm. Well, not massive, but it's blowing a lot. So, trying to turn off my work phone here. No problem. Alright. Sorry, things are going nuts. Those of you who don't know, I manage buses as my job. And just had a driver get sick, put our driver on, and try and get their snowstorm, and just told the client. Anyway. Return to sender. Cheryl Swoops. Had a pretty good week. A lot of return to senders, though. Marissa Mendenhall. That being because I send a lot out. So I get a lot of return senders. Tom Steven, I think this was kind of a gamble. I tend to take more long shots since I send so many out. So sometimes they pay off, sometimes they don't. This one's pretty. I got this today. He masking taped his own little pocket there for it. Look at that. It's some older vintage cards, but it's Bob Locker of the Cubs. There's one card. There's a Sox card. He was Cubs and Sox. Well, there you go. This one had to take a while. I didn't look up the time on it. I guess I should have. Bob Locker. Because I haven't sent out Sox cards in almost a year. I got another one here today. You'll see it later. That took 412 days. There's another World War II person. He sent me a whole bunch of stuff. He sent me a newspaper article, which is around here somewhere. Don't know where it's at. But he sent me his own card, his own trading card. Look at that. That's not signed, but he sent that signed. Signed on there. And he sent this up here. He was a survivor of Pearl Harbor, so I sent it to them. There's he signed at the top. So thank you. Another one. Austin City. He wrote on the back. Brian can't find Algonquin on the map. Where in the world is it? Where in Illinois is it? So I gotta. And he put his phone number on it. I'll tell you a little. I'll have to give him a call and tell him where I'm at. He signed up in the corner. And he signed on the white. Signed in ballpoint, so. It was funny. I had like a day of all World War II ones. I think I got 3 of them in one day. 4 of them in one day. There's another return sender. I'm flying through these. I got quite a few, even though I got time. Here, get these return senders out of the way. Jay Buhner. This one, I don't know. One of them has a. Maybe it's another one I saw. Another return sender, Bonnie Raitt. Raitt. How do you say it? This one is. Oh, this is a return. I'll say it's a return sender. It's not. Oh, this one didn't take too long. It's Crystal Allen. Crystal Allen. There. She was in Anaconda, I think was the name of the movie. And then just another, I think this was a premiere photo. She signed in a black ink right there. It says to Brian right there. But that's my typical. I try to send a couple movie pictures, celebrities' movies, and then I try to send one from award show or that sort of thing. Here's no Robert Toski. He was another, I think, World War II. Yes, he was. He signed on the back of this. It says Brian was honored at Memorial Day service and placed wreaths during the ceremonies before the outbreak of the virus. Very emotional trip. Lots of memories. All the best. Bob Toski. He signed a couple of next cards for me. And he wrote some memories. And his memories was in the was in the infantry in World War II. Stationed in Burma, President Truman saved my life and many others when he ordered the A-bomb on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Combat ceased and the war was over. Retired as a something sergeant, T/sergeant. I'm not sure what the training sergeant, maybe? I don't know. In 1945, sent back to can't read. Then to the States. Bob Toski. There's two words there. There's a C and a J. Were the start of the words. They look like Columbia, but I know that's not right. But so I don't know. There's another one. Oh, this one I have sent out recently. White Sox player. I think it's some Dan Scott or something. Shoot. Sorry, I forgot to prep everything. I'm not used to doing this on Thursday nights. I'm used to doing it Friday morning. But actually, tomorrow morning will not be good. One of my daughters, who's a teacher, she has parent-teacher conferences on Zoom. So she will be here talking, and I can't talk too. Mark Parent. And also, my kids don't really know I make these videos. I make them kind of secret. Shh. Because they give me a hard time about monographs. They think monographs is a waste of time. So, the less they know about, the better. There's Jay Bars. He was Olympian. And it says, "Hi Brian, it's an honor to be included in your collection. Best wishes, Jay Bard." He drew a little guy holding a not a crossbow, but bow. Draw a bow. I'm sitting here in my mind thinking, it holds a bow and arrow. What is it called? Duh. Alright, this one's from Carlsbad, California. There's the address. And it is, it's a World War II vet. Vietnam vet. I've started with Vietnam people now. Stuart Harrington. He's a colonel in the USA. He signed the back of that picture. I have that one. He signed the back also. And index card. Oh yeah, he did sign it. Veteran of Vietnam War, Invasion of Panama, and Operation Desert Shield and Desert Star. So he was a busy man. Another one. World War II. This one, oh yeah. This one is a return. This is Kakita. And I think he was... this was... Yeah, this was... he was a child when the bombs were dropped. Have you heard the other one? But he survived the bombing. And so people can get his autograph. But obviously he's quit. He sent me this little note. It says, "Notice, since I have found several photographs and cards of my signature being sold on eBay and other media, I have decided not to provide my signature on any item. I'm sharing my experience with the public to mitigate the future proliferation of nuclear weapons and to stop nuclear warfare, and not for commercial purpose. My apologies to those of you that are legitimate collectors. So, fortunately, did not sign, but I understand. So, here's another Vietnam. This is Pat Brady, I think. There's another one. And there is the final one. So, let me see what else I will have here. This is like speed video. 10 minutes and I'm through that many autographs. Wowee. Alright, Priska. Oh yeah. This one, Disney artist, Robert Priska. I sent this off to an address. I tried one. And says, Dear Brian, hate to disappoint, but my husband is not the former Disney animator. I assume he lives in either California or Virginia, where he was born, according to Wikipedia. Good luck in your search for the other David Priska. Sorry. So this one I sent to Greenville, South Carolina. I tried to address there, but no luck. I'll keep looking. This one from North Dallas. This one is, what was that? Drake Britton. That was Boston Red Sox. I didn't set much out this week because I have been sorting. Like I told you, I took all my cards. And this is, I actually had 4 of the same card. I took all my football cards to separate them, so I'm still separating them. This is Cuno Barragan. And he is, this is a 63 tops, or 54 tops, I think. Oh no, wait, 61. Sorry, I'm not good with my vintage cards, but lower tops. He actually signed 4 of them for me. I told him to keep some, but I guess he chose not to. So thank you, Mr. Barragan. He's a catcher for Chicago Cubs. That one's been out a few months, probably. There's another one for Greensboro. This is Chad Little. I've gotten him a few times. But, like I said, if you watch previous videos, you've seen I'm sending all my NASCAR cards out to get signed when I've left them. And this one he did not sign, which may have stuck to one, or maybe he has a limit, which is fine. So I kind of overwhelmed him with cards there. So this is from Phoenix. Oh, signed 1 index card, Steve Chassis, and he signed. Oops. There's front of the card, but he signed the back. So Steve Chassis, and he put extra paper in here to keep everything straight, I guess. What the heck is this? Okay, little strip of paper in there. Don't know what that was from. All right, this one. One came from Ventura. Look, he's even got a stamp. Where was his? It is. Oh yeah, this is. Oh, shoot. I wrote his name down. I forgot. But he did the voice in Young Samson. You have to look that one up. Sorry. But anyway, I got that one for my cartoon collection. Maybe I'll know it by then. This one took. I looked it up. I can't remember. Is that right here? No, I didn't right here. It's about 6 months. This is Freema. I forgot her last name. There's an A, I think. But she used to be on Doctor Who, which I think this is a picture from Doctor Who. She was on can't remember what the name of the show is. I watched it every week. Legends. A superhero show. Anyway, she was on there, and she's currently on New Amsterdam, which is where I sent this. I sent it to the studio at New Amsterdam in New York. Let's say Legends tomorrow? Yeah, I guess that's right. Okay, this one, 412 days. It's been out there a little while. Mimi Rogers, there's her at an award show, and got her in a bathing suit. Don't remember what film that was. It was a good picture of her, and the quality was good. So, here's one from Chattanooga. Oh yes. Lots of stuff. This is a gentleman. He signed on the back. Lieutenant Thomas Guzman, 30th Division, and World's Greatest Ranger. He signed World War II. Another World War II picture. He signed on the back. Well, I don't think this is World War II. I think that's. But anyway, he sent a nice article about him. I'll pause and read it. And there's more on the back, including his pictures of his medals. So, that's an interesting one. Ozzie Guillen. Oh yeah, this one has a return. This one has a new address on. So anybody who collects White Sox, Ozzie Guillen, you may want to try that. I'm going to try it. As soon as the video's over, I'm probably going to go readjust that. And Renee White, still don't have anything from her. She's a NASCAR girl. And last but not least, oh yeah, this one I got excited over. This is Ruta Lee. She was a voice. She signed right there. I think that's her character too. She might have signed. I already had the sign by Rami Pardon. So there's stuff in here. I knew there is. Yes. So let me get this cardboard here. There's another one she signed. She signed also the Mincy McCall, signed on the back. Rudley on the front. And Rudley, here she signed on this one. For my friend Brian, Rudley Hidia on Flintstone Funnies. What was your favorite production to work on? The Frankenstones. That was on. Sorry. What was your favorite character to do? Hidia. And any special memories of your career? Great fun to sit on stools in front of mics, making odd noises, and getting paid to have fun. Rudley. And she also sent. You can order autographed copies of her book. Love her title. Consider Your Ass Kissed. Excuse my French. So you can get her autographed copies. Order from Amazon or Barnes & Noble. For autographed copies, try LarryEdmonds.com. So there you go. That's the last of my autographs this week. This is a speed video. It was too quick. I slowed down at the end, I guess. 19 minutes. Hoping to send on NASCAR this weekend. It's a NASCAR weekend. Tonight is the Dual 125s. Tomorrow night, the truck race. Saturday, Xfinity. And Sunday, the main thing, Daytona 500. So hopefully going to watch some racing. And hopefully during the racing, I'm going to send some autograph requests. Because it's time to send off my hero card requests. I didn't really do it this year. I gotta try to do it this year. I've got a bunch of envelopes ready to go I mean, to be mailed. So I just gotta address them, do letters and stuff. So hopefully I'll get a lot of that stuff back. In the meantime, enjoy. I'll probably load this up later, but you'll still see it Friday morning. I'll have it loaded by Friday morning. So Friday morning, good morning everybody. It's Friday. Now I have to go shovel the snow. Bye. Whoops. Ah.